What is going on? It is your boy MTIP. This is gonna be a really fast mail call. I had a couple of things come in the mail quite some time ago. Man, I've been so busy I haven't even opened it up, so you're gonna experience this with me, as well as we had a channel member who hit me up, got himself a pair of kicks. We're gonna see what that mystery is and what I'm about to go to the post office to ship that off. But let's go ahead and start with this one right here. How's everybody doing on this Saturday morning? Man, I ordered this a while ago. All right, cool. These some pants right here. I thought they were sweatpants. Well, they kind of are, but I don't know. This material kind of feels like swimming trunks, but it's supposed to have been sweats. So I don't know. We're gonna have to. Got a couple of stickers here. We got some Supreme hats here. So we got a Supreme hat. We got gray. Oh snap! Oh yeah! Wait until the season. Nice little gray joint. Okay. World fame. All right, bet. All right, I like it so far. Let's see what else we got here. Bottom. The bottom. All right. More stickers. More Supreme shirts. Tees, double XL tees. All right. Tuck that to the side as well. All right, let's go. Let's go. At the time. So we got a Yankee fitted right here. Ooh. Nice little Yankee fitted with Supreme written on the back there. That Supreme and Yankee is written in that navy. Stickers were hidden. Why hate? Man, why hate? Tap that like button. Tap that like button. Let's go. Haters. I know y'all ain't. I got some more stickers there. A few more. All right. See, I have one on. All right. Ooh. Another little Yankee fitted in that blue. Ooh, Supreme written on the back. Yeah, that's dope. All right, cool. Now, this is what I've been looking forward to. Haha. Pop that wide open. Looks like we have it in the green color here. And this, my friends, hey, get up there. This, my friends, is gonna be my sole premise bag. Now this is what I've been looking forward to. Wanted to do a quick little mail call. You see how this comes, right? You got that bottom there. Now this is what I'm gonna do, because I have work to go to. I'm gonna go ahead and make another video loading this thing up, put some shoes in there, because your boy do have an upcoming trip that he's going on. So this one right here, I'm looking forward to. Let's take a look at the shoes that one of my channel members picked up today that I gotta get shipped out. All right, we'll be back. All right, we is back. Now let's take a look. What did the channel member pick up? Let me see. They hit me up and they wanted something. Is it over here? Is it over here? Ooh. Maybe it's over here. Maybe it's over here. Maybe it's over. Let's see where that hand goes. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. We had a channel member hit me up. He needs that. And you know I went ahead and hooked him up with a juicy deal. So if you want to become a channel member, if there's something that I have and it's your size and you want whatever, hit me up. Become a channel member. I have 2 different options on the channel membership there. And I'm going to take care of you. Tap that thumbs up button. Always loving this end. we're gonna get these shipped off. Like.